Welcome back, everybody. This year I've really clamped down, and for breakfast I'm drinking mainly smoothies, lots of vitamins and minerals and very high protein. But once in a while I crave a good old-fashioned breakfast sandwich. Today I want to show you how to make a Colorado green chili breakfast sandwich. I'm going to start out with some Texas hog sausage. This is wild hog sausage that my buddy Steve got in Texas, and I made this into a Mountain Man breakfast sausage variety. I thawed this out in the refrigerator overnight so it's semi-frozen, and we should be able to just slice off little pieces like this that we can fashion into patties. Over to the griddle. This is actually the first time that I've used my cutting board here in my Blackstone 5-burner range top combo. I've got my griddle top heated up, and of course I like to use extra virgin olive oil for most things savory, either extra virgin olive oil or use a lot of avocado oil as well. Use my knife here and pick up my little sausage patties. Gonna put them straight down on my hot griddle top. Then I'm gonna take my spatulas. Let's see if I can go for 2. Yikes. Gonna take my spatulas and we're gonna try to press these down. Basically making, you know, like a sausage smash burger patty, if you will. All right, I think we are ready to flip these things. Oh yeah, perfect breakfast sausage smash burger patty. And I have some delicious Pueblo green chili here. You can see I'm also wearing my Pueblo Chili Fest shirt because we're getting close to that time of the year here. Oh boy, let's go down. Oh, I love going to the chili festival every year. These are roasted Pueblo green chili, of course, okay? They're ready to eat, but we just want to heat these up a little bit. A couple of Blackstone egg rings, and we'll crack a few eggs. We'll see if I can move my yolk here over to the middle of this one without it breaking. Black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, and some Queso Quesadilla. This is a beautiful Mexican melting cheese, and we are gonna load it up on top of that sausage patty. And I didn't go out to do any special shopping for today. I had these in the cupboard, and I guess traditionally you'd probably want to use a torta roll or a telera roll. We're gonna use these sourdough English muffins today. Down with some butter, and to everybody who gives me a hard time for using country crock, look, I'm using actual butter today. Let's see if our eggs are ready. Perfect. We're using the egg rings because I want these to look perfect on my English muffin. Let's check out those green chilies. I just wanted a little bit of color on those, a little bit of heat. And let's toast those English muffins over here in the back. A little bit of that green chili, gonna put that right down on top of that cheese. Followed by that egg on top. And I think it's about time to plate these up, so let's grab those English muffins. And let's grab those tops here. I'll turn my griddle off. Let's see. Look at that. Beautifully toasted. Take a look at that. These look so good. Oh my God, look at that green chili hanging off. Perfect, by the way. Using those egg rings to keep the size of the egg the same size as the English muffin. Nothing's worse, right, than making this and then having an egg be 2 times bigger than the bun. All right, I'll be quiet. Let's give it a try. Sausage, man, killer sear by smashing it down like that. Love how I use those egg rings to keep that egg the same size. So there's a good pro tip for you. English muffin, perfect. For some reason, I don't use English muffins much for breakfast sandwiches. And green chilies, if you've never had one, you gotta have one. I'm not talking about those little old El Paso, made in New York City, green chilies in a can. No, no, no. You gotta get yourself some Pueblo green chili. Obviously, if you can't get Pueblo green chili, you can get Hatch green chili nationwide. And you wanna get something fresh, either fresh, frozen, or a really good brand that cans them fresh. But these things are dynamite. And let me know down below what you want me to put in a breakfast sandwich. Maybe there's a certain kind of breakfast sandwich you want me to explore. If I find it appealing, maybe I'll go ahead and oblige you. And make sure you visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. I'm not even gonna bother to list all of our shows because now we have so many shows, my mind cannot keep track of them. But blackstoneproducts.com is your portal for everything Blackstone. And until next time, praise the Lord and pass this. What are we calling that? We're calling that the Colorado or the Pueblo green chili breakfast sandwich. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you have chorizo, go ahead and use it. I just happen to have this delicious Texas hog sausage. We'll see you next time.